Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am going to make spicy mint chutney or mint pickle. I picked up some fresh mint from my backyard, washed it thoroughly and drained all the water. Take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and dry roast them in a pan. When you smell a nice aroma, remove them from heat and transfer them into another bowl. And add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and dry roast them. When they are popping up, remove them from the heat and transfer them into the same bowl. In the same pan, add about 15 large red chilies. Now we are going to fry them in oil. I am using coconut oil. You can use your favorite cooking oil. Add about 4 to 5 large garlic cloves and fry them together. Once they are fried, transfer them into another bowl. Now to the same oil, add the washed mint and some salt and stir it well. Add about a small lime-size seedless tamarind. Add more oil if needed. Notice that the mint is reducing in volume while we fry. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now let us grind all these spices. First I am grinding the fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds and sesame seeds. Then I am adding the red chilli and garlic. Here all the spices have been powdered very well. Now I am going to add the fried mint with some salt and grind it, then keep it aside. Let us move on to the seasoning. I am heating 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan which is on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 red chilies, cut them into small pieces and add a big pinch of hing. Keep stirring them. Add some turmeric powder and quickly add the ground mint chutney. Mix it well. I already added salt when I am grinding the mint. Now I just needed a little bit more, so I am adding a little bit. Mix it well again. This mint chutney is very tasty with coriander seeds, sesame seeds. It is spicy and little sourness from tamarind. Totally it is very delicious. It goes well with rice or chapati. You can also enjoy with idli, dosa, vada. So please try this recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. For more recipes, check out my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page.